Here, big smiles. All right. Go ahead. Yeah. Okay.
Isang napakagandang milestone ang ipinagdiwang ng pamilya Pacquiao matapos opisyal ng ikasal ang panganay na anak ni Manny Pacquiao at Jinky Pacquiao na si Jimwell Pacquiao sa kanyang non-showbiz partner na si Carolina. Ginawa ang intimate garden wedding ceremony sa California, kung saan dinaluhan ito ng kanilang mga malalapit na pamilya at kaibigan. Bagamat simple at pribado ang selebrasyon, ramdam na ramdam ang pagmamahalan at kasiyahan ng magkabilang pamilya sa espesyal na araw na ito. Kasama sa mga dumalo ang buong pamilya Pacquiao kabilang sina Manny, Jinky, mga kapatid ni Jimwell na sina Mary, Queenie at Israel. Naroon din ang kanilang minamahal na lola na si Mommy Dionysia na isa sa mga ikinatuwa ng maraming netizens nang makita sa mga larawan at videos mula sa kasal. Isa sa mga pinaka-emosyonal na bahagi ng seremonya ay nang lumapit sina Jimwell at Carolina sa kanilang mga magulang upang magbigay ng yakap at halik bilang pasasalamat sa pagmamahal at suporta na kanilang natanggap sa paglipas ng mga taon. Marami ang natouch sa simpleng gesture na ito dahil ipinakita nito ang malalim na pagpapahalaga ng bagong kasal sa kanilang mga pamilya. Kitang-kita rin ang pagiging emosyonal ng ilang miyembro ng pamilya habang nasasaksihan ang bagong yugto ng buhay ni Jimwell. Agad namang bumuhos ang pagbati mula sa mga fans ng pamilya Pacquiao. Marami ang nagsabing nakakatuwang makita si Jimwell na nagsisimula na ng sarili niyang pamilya habang patuloy na tinatahak ang kanyang sariling landas sa buhay. Para kina Manny at Jinky, isa itong napaka-espesyal na sandali bilang mga magulang. Mula sa pagpapalaki kay Jimwell hanggang sa makita siyang ikinasal at bumuo ng sariling pamilya, isa itong milestone na siguradong mananatiling mahalagang alaala para sa buong angkan. Sa huli, ang kasal ni Jimwell at Carolina ay hindi lamang pag-iisa ng dalawang puso, kundi pagbuo rin ng panibagong kabanata ng kanilang buhay na puno ng pagmamahalan, pangarap at pamilya.
And that's the name that's above all other names. And if you will live and honor out the name Pacquiao, the name that you've been handed, and also live honoring the name of the Lord, I am telling you, you can't help but have a successful marriage. And my prayer for the two of you, I know you're young, you're just getting started, but it's my prayer that your life and your love and your marriage and your family will be an example for all of us here today. You're just getting started, but I just pray all the days of your life that you will be the ones that will set the example for the rest of us. I'll tell you what you already know. If you love and trust and depend upon each other, life to live together after God's word in the holy estate of matrimony, do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others in this world, keeping yourself for her alone, as long as you both shall live? Do you promise this? I do. And Carolina, I want to ask you, do you take the Emmanuel Pacquiao to be your wedded husband, to live together after God's word in the holy estate of matrimony? Do you promise to love him, to comfort him, to honor and keep him, in sickness and in health, forsaking all others in this world, keeping yourself for him alone, as long as you both shall live? Do you promise this?
I do.
And at this time, we want to do something just a little different. And I have a couple roses here, and Joelle and his soon-to-be wife, they would like to present a rose to their parents. And they just want to take a time out. Your blessings upon them. So before we go on, they just want to say thank you, and they want to tell you that they love you.
Pagpansan ako, guys.
Since the two of you have freely chosen one
for you and for each other. And to everyone that's present here, oh God, the grandparents, the siblings,
strength and a blessing to you as long as time shall last. I'd like for us today just to begin with just a word of prayer and ask God to bless this moment, this ceremony, and this couple. Dear God in heaven, we thank you for this couple. We thank you for their decision to become husband and wife.
Okay lang ba guys ang ato ang kwandara? Ang quality sa atong live? Comment. Bang wedding sa mga ano? Ayan, tingin sa ating 175,000 viewers. Ayan, shout out kay Nenen Brias Dumo. Thank you so much. Oh, gwapo kayo lang venue, guys. Ay?
Oy,
Iba.
iba ha? Answers, guys.
Maka-happy.